Good evening, sir. My name is Mallikarjun Khatate, and today's topic is methods of string. Okay. So first of all, I am from Latur. I am completed a BE in 2020. College name that is Dr. D.Y. Patil School of Engineering, Ambitalevo Dabade, and the university is Savitribai Phule Pune University. Okay. So back to the original point, that is today's topic is string of method of object. Okay. So first of all, list the methods of object. So object provide the some method, that is first is toString method, and second is notify method, then clone method, then again hashcode method, then one get class method, after and notify all method. So these are the methods object class has provided. Okay. So first of all, we discuss about the one method, that is a clone method. Okay. Clone method means what? Suppose we have created a class. Okay. This class can be this class can be filled with a variable and methods. So the private method. Okay. So these method, not a private method, it's a public method. Okay. When we creating a clone method, that time it create a new class, that is the copy of object class. Okay. So this class can create a object copy of class, and it gives the copy of object class. So this type of work the clone method. So next method, that is the toString method. Java provide the toString method for the getting some output of the reference addresses. Okay. When we creating a class, and inside the class we create some methods and variable name, and after creating variable and method, that time we create a main class for the accessing of these methods and variable through the runtime. Okay. So that time we have to create a main class, and inside the main class we create an object of the class because of accessing of these methods and variable by through the object. So inside that we creating a, suppose we have create a employee class. So employee class inside the ID and name. Okay. So these, how to access of this class name, that is variable and method. So inside the main class we create a employee name, means class name. Okay. So employee means class name, and again we create a reference variable because it store the address of object. Okay. So reference variable is not an object because it has pointing to the original object. So we create a reference variable to pointing to that object we can access through the address. Okay. Or reference variable. So reference variable is equal to new is a keyword for the creating constructor or creating object. Okay. So new keyword and class name and parenthesis. Okay. This type we creating a object. So when we creating object, and then we are going to the access of these properties of base class or child class or parent class, that time we creating a reference variable dot operator and some methods of we have to access or some variable. That time we creating dot operator, and this which we have to access the method, this method name can be written there. Okay. So this type access of methods. And when we have to this method accessing, that time we can't get a result, means proper result, because of there is not available of toString method. When we when we getting a reference variable and reference variable inside the dot operator to string method, that time we have to access the original value or original method of that. So this type of using of toString method to the original of string and its implementation. Okay. The next method is that finalize method. Suppose the finalize method, when we have creating toString inside the class. Okay, that time same string inside, suppose one string is ABC and another string is a CD. Okay, so there is a toString, but one string can point to the reference variable is S1. Okay, again we have to concat of these two string, these two string. That time the reference variable can be pointing to the new one string, that is ABC and CD is concat together and create a one string, that is ABCD. This ABCD string can point to S1, because on previous S1 reference variable can point to the ABC only, but next time it can be pointing to the another new one object, that is ABCD. So the previous object or previous string, that is garbage, means there is no any reference or variable can be point to the previous object. These can be garbage collector, means when a finalize method call, that time it can be collect this string method and finalize. Okay, so these are the finalize method. So another method is, that is a hash code. Okay, so Java provide the hash code method for the uniqueness. Okay, when we have creating some ID or some particular private or privacy of bank balance, that time it create a hash code method, and when we creating of this uniqueness or hash code method, that time we have to access the some address, unique address, that address can be accessing only when call the hash code method. Okay, so uniqueness is we require, that time we call the hash code method. Then again we have to provide the object class, that is a notify all method. Means notify all means what? That is a notify also method. Okay, when we have to create, when we have creating some class, and that time the thread can be access these classes and it's a time to execution. That time notify method can be show it's the implementation of classes is stop or running inside the JVM execution. That time the notify method will give us some status about that thread. Okay, and notify all method means when the multiple classes can be execution or some accessing threads or multiple threads, that time it's a proper execution, it's a status can be notify all method can be give us. Okay, so these are the methods of object provided by Java. And another means object is nothing but the some classes. Okay, but when we have creating some class, and that class have a main parent class, that is object is nothing but the all the classes has a parent class inside the Java. So it's all about the methods of object. Okay, and thank you for